What's up, it's me, EpicMiss228. Actually, that's my old name. Fat Boy Swag, or Evan. And well, today I am having the first ever hopefully the first ever ice cream taco. This is gonna taste extremely weird, hopefully. And I want you guys to tell me if someone else has already tried this. But if they have, tell them that I tried it as well. And if they haven't, or if nobody made it up yet, then I'll tell you guys if I recommend this or not anymore. Yeah. I am a fat boy, so I need this. Alright, here we go. Tastes kind of weird. Don't try it. It tastes awful and weird. Mostly weird. Maybe it's the ice cream I'm using, I don't know.
What kind of ice cream are you using?
What's it called? Butterscotch or caramel. And if you're French,
you need some of this.
there you go. Yes!
I dare you.
Okay, guys, don't try this at home. This is extreme hot. Actually, this one's not even that hot. It's not as hot as the mango one. Don't try this at home. I don't recommend it.
Oh, come on. That's not chocolate syrup.
Yeah, I know.
Basta.
Hey. This is not gonna end well. Well, I'm gonna have a nuclear war after this. Mostly in the washroom. Oh my god, that's nasty. Oh, it's disgusting, but hot. Don't try this at home. It's disgusting. It's tasty. It's weird. And it's hot. I don't know what it is. But, if you guys do want to try this at home, I don't recommend it. But if you want to, you could. I'm not saying you should, but don't sue me. And I did not tell you guys to do this. I'm just saying if you want to, you could. Just don't sue me. I was thinking that, I don't know what to say, really. I don't know what to say besides that. This is super hot.
It's the Mexican taco.
Not Mexican. Oh, it is Mexican. But
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
oh, I forgot to say Happy Cinco de Mayo. Sorry that I didn't make the video. I'm like 2 days late. That's it. But don't actually try this at home. Well, anyways, see you guys. Bye.